Hey divas, so in today's video I'm here to share with you guys this unit that I'm rocking right now. So if you guys are interested, then definitely keep watching. Okay divas, so before we jump right into the video, I did want to let you guys know that this video is being brought to you guys by Clione. They are an Amazon brand. So yeah, thank you for bringing this video to my fabulous divas. But without further ado, let's jump right into all the details and the specs on this hair. Okay divas, so jumping right in, today we have this Afro kinky straight type of unit. It did come with a pair of hoops, so thank you guys for that. That was nice. So here's the actual Velcro strap for their headband wig, and how cute is that? Because you can actually just wear this if you want to. So here is the cap construction. It is average head friendly. It does come with 3 combs in the front as well as a comb in the back, and it does not have any adjustable straps. So here's how the unit looks, and I'm just trying it on so you guys can see how it looks, and I am just absolutely amazed with how beautiful this unit is straight out the pack. Like, it just looks so freaking pretty. And I love that the hair is not stiff either. But yeah, overall this hair is really pretty. Like, I love it. I love the fact that it is ready to go straight out of the pack. But yeah, that's pretty much it. Just want to give you guys a few more details on the specs, and you guys know I'll finish out my closing thoughts. You be the only one I see. Anywhere I go, I wanna be. Can you feel up my fantasy? Okay divas, so now that you guys have gotten all the details and the specs on this unit, I am here to tell you guys how I feel about it. So let's just jump right in. Okay divas, so as you guys can see, today's girl is very big and bold, okay? And I am here for it. I love big and bold hair. Now if you are a little bit shy, just a little bit, like, this is not gonna be for you, okay? Like, this hair is for the bold, okay? Like, she is very big straight out of the pack, because I did not pick her out or anything. All I did was literally just take it out and put it on, and I'm good to go. Now some people may want to shape it and things like that, but honestly I don't feel like, I have to fix that little part, I don't feel like with this unit that it even needs that, because it has sort of like a nice natural shape to it. I don't know if you guys can see right here, but it kind of has like a little shape to it already, and I did kind of like just flip it over, but it kind of already is like doing its own thing. So I don't necessarily think, personally, it just depends on your personal preference. Personally, I feel like it looks absolutely amazing out of the package, but of course it's up to you to customize it. For me, I was looking for this to be a straight out the box unit, because of the simple fact that of course it is a headband unit. So I was like, this better be like a throw on and go situation, and it definitely is. I am absolutely in love with this hair. I feel like it's like giving me queen vibes. Anytime I have any type of afro style or just big and bold, like, I just feel like a queen, okay? Like a true queen. Really do like this. Another thing that I absolutely adore about this unit is the fact that, you know, it has this headband already. So this is their actual Velcro headband that you're going to attach to apply your unit, and I love the fact that it is cheetah print. Now if you want something that's solid, or you want to use your headbands that you have in your collection, of course you are more than welcome to do that, because of the simple fact that, I mean, obviously you can cover it. I feel like it's the same size as the other headbands, so you could definitely throw a headband on top of this if you do not want to wear the cheetah print. But I definitely felt like it went well with the style, and I'm just wearing like a plain white shirt that I cut up today, so I was like, you know what, it can go, and it's gonna give me, you know, the look that I want. Another thing that I really like is that they did include a hoop pair of earrings. Like, how great is that? I was like, you know what, I can keep it simple because it's all about my hair. I could put in the hoop earrings, which went perfectly with this, and just put on my little Walmart choker, and I'm good to go. Like, I'm still accessorized, but it's keeping it simple. So I like the fact that they gave you, you know, the earrings to go with it as a gift. I feel like that's really nice. The only thing that I do not like about this unit is, initially, like when I put it on and I ran my fingers through it, there was shedding and tangling, but I mean, I expect that. Like, look at the texture of this hair. You're gonna expect that, okay? Like, it's gonna happen. And yeah, the texture and then the bigness, the style, all that, you're gonna expect that. But I feel like it had a little bit more shedding than I was used to. But once I run my fingers like through it, I just run my fingers through the bottom because obviously like I don't want this to get any bigger. This is like the perfect amount of big for me. So yeah, but I did experience some shedding, like, and it was weird because it was only with these pieces at the bottom. So these pieces here, I did experience some shedding, but I just kept running my fingers through, and then the shedding stopped, which is really good. And it really did stop, and that's another reason why I chose to wear a white shirt. Not only because it's going with my little theme I have going on this week, but to see if there was going to be any more excessive shedding, and there's not. So that is one thing I did want to tell you guys about. But once you run your fingers through or rake your comb through or however you want to do it, it definitely will go ahead and stop. But yeah, divas, that is pretty much it. If you guys are interested in this unit, I definitely will have a link in the description box below, so definitely be sure to go ahead and check that out. But yeah, that's all, divas. Thank you fabulous girls so much for watching. I greatly appreciate it. If you did enjoy this video and find it very helpful and easy to follow, then definitely go ahead and give me a thumbs up. Be sure to leave me a comment down below. I would love to hear from you fabulous divas and know what you guys are thinking. And be sure to go ahead and subscribe if you haven't done so already, and also hit that notification bell, girl. I do upload quite often and you definitely do not want to miss any of my videos. But yeah, thank you so much for watching. I greatly appreciate it, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.